quiz. Is it today? Okay, what season is it now? Winter. What month is it now? Okay. Repeat after me. You are beautiful. You are super. You are clever. Thank you. Sit down, please. Come to the blackboard and take one picture. You must divide it three groups. The first group food, the second group fruit, the third group vegetables. Come. Okay, you divide it in three groups. Yes. Okay. Watch the video. Okay. Sing a song. Homework, translate the sentences. Yes? I'll give some sentences you must translate in English. And take the apple and glue the trees.
It's raining.
It's raining. Come to me. Kar жауды. Күн қатты ыстық.
It's hot.
Тұманды.
It's cold.
It's hot. You are super. Okay. Take your seat, sit down, please. It's our homework, yes?
Yes.
Okay. The next video is about the healthy life.
I run every day. I am healthy because I eat vegetables. I eat broccoli, carrots, and lettuce. I am healthy because I eat fruit. I eat apples, bananas, and watermelon. I am healthy because I drink a lot. I drink water, milk, and orange juice. I am healthy because I wash every day. I clean my hands, my hair, and my body. I am healthy because I sleep well. I sleep early and get up early. I am healthy because I am happy. I smile all the time. I am healthy because I take care of myself.
The video. Healthy body, yes. Okay, what do you do for your healthy? Stand up, please. I read book.
I eat vegetables.
Healthy body. We learn about the healthy body. Yani ballar, бүгін біз дені сау адам туралы сабақ өтеміз. Деніміздің сау болу үшін біз орындауымыз тиіс екен. Healthy body. Doing exercises. Please translate. Doing exercises. Біз не жасауымыз керек? Translating, please.
Пайдалы тамақ жеу керек.
Yes, okay. Studying well. Studying well. Жақсы оқуымыз тиіс екен. There are many new words about the healthy body. Repeat after me. Salt.
Salt.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Sausage.
Sausage.
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Mustard.
Mustard.
Salt. Toast.
Salt. Toast.
Cabbage. Kabak.
Cabbage. Kabak.
Sausage. Sucuk.
Sausage. Sucuk.
Olive oil. Zeytinyağı.
Olive oil. Zeytinyağı.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise.
Lettuce. Salat yaprağı.
Lettuce. Salat yaprağı.
Cucumber. Piyaz.
Cucumber. Piyaz.
Mustard. Kuşak.
Mustard. Kuşak.
You must open your vocabulary book and write down new words quickly. Open. Have you got a vocabulary book all together? Excellent. You are super and you are clever pupils. Quickly. Do you understand me? Yes. Learn new words.
Lettuce, yogurt, cucumber,
Cucumber.
mustard, olive oil, cabbage, mayonnaise.
Okay, mayonnaise. We play the game. We play, girls and boys. Okay, girls and boys, put your pen and we play game. What do you remember? It's about the new word. Repeat after me all together. Lettuce, yogurt, cucumber, mustard, olive oil, cabbage, mayonnaise. Okay. Close your eyes. One paper, one picture. Okay, look. What didn't the pictures stand up, please?
Cucumber.
Cucumber, yes. Okay, I'll give dollars. You are rich boy, yes. Okay, look and close your eyes, please. Okay. Mayonnaise. Two pictures.
Cabbage.
Cabbage and
Mayonnaise. Cabbage and lettuce.
cabbage and lettuce. Okay. 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 Look, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close. Okay. Look. What's the picture?
Olive oil and
Okay, take your seat.
mustard.
Mustard. Take the euro. Close your eyes. Okay, look. Luisa.
Mayonnaise, salt and yogurt.
Ой, молодец, excellent. Wow. Excellent. You are super boy, yes. Okay. The next word wall.
Pizza.
You must make words, the letters. Please, what words?
Apple.
You should say I don't know. Come to the blackboard. Okay, excellent.
Crisps.
The words. The next words.
Milk.
These are the next words. Meal, yes. Okay. The next word. Cake. Cake. Come to me. Come to the blackboard and quickly, please. What's the words? What's the words?
Cake.
Cake. Cake.
Banana.
Молодец. Excellent. Это шанс. Quickly. Excellent. Very good. Okay.
Burger.
The next. China.
Meat. Candy.
Candy, what is it? The candy, translate please. Candy. I'm here.
Eggs.
Okay, excellent. Good. Girls and boys. Okay, there are many words. You must make sentences. Yes? Okay. Awesome. Reading, please. Wait. Okay, the second. Straight. Okay, get active every day. Excellent, good. Enjoy. Quickly. Drink. Okay. Drink a lot of water. Okay. Sleep. Sleep 10 hours. Excellent. Good. Boys and girls, you must match tape. Yes? Put your hand. Junk food. Young. Tamam da? Healthy food. Faydalı. You must write down junk food healthy with poster. Our poster. Vegetables. Great. Fruits. Finish the second team. Finish the third. The first team, come to the blackboard and yes,
Junk food, banana, lettuce.
You talk about junk food. You talk healthy food. Do you understand me? Yes. Okay.
Junk food, banana, lettuce, fish, salad, egg, milk, cheese, grapes,
Water
water.
and water. Okay.
Cheese, milk, olive oil, water.
Okay, the second team.
Food, tomato, lettuce, cherry, eggs, banana, meat, orange, apple. Junk food, sandwich, chicken, burger, fries, chocolate, hot dog.
Okay. Okay, the third team.
Healthy with egg, banana, egg, fish, vegetables, egg, junk food, ice cream,
Okay. Active math. Look at me. Keep silent. Please. 1. Children make sentences. I'll give Kinder. You must make sentences. Do you understand me? Yes. Okay. And read it.
I clean my hands, my hair, and my body. Мен күнде жуынамын. Мен өзімнің қолымды, шашымды және денемді жуамын. I drink water, milk, and orange juice. I drink a lot. Мен көп су ішемін. I drink water, milk, and orange juice. Мен сүт және сок ішемін.
Okay, good. The second.
I sleep well, I sleep early and get up early.
Okay, early. Erте deysiz, ya? Al, translate. I sleep well. I sleep.
Men жақсы ұйықтаймын. Men
Ерте ұйықтаймын.
мен ерте
және
ұйықтаймын және ерте тұрамын.
Okay. Pictures. You must the card. It's puzzle card. You must picture Luisa, Aydarhan, and Balam. Also, sorry. Saram, Ayhan, Nuriyet. Who is finished? Clap your hands. Okay, what is it? Okay, what? The second, who is finished? Look at the stand up. Cheese. What is it? The cheese. Cheese. Excellent. Balım. Sarılık şıkkan çok basılı yapmıyor. Şabdalı çıktı mı? Keep silent. Please, girls and the boys. One. I'll give your card. I understand. Translate, please. I understand. I don't understand. I need help. Okay, I'll give many cards. You put the cards. I understand, I don't understand, and I need help. Okay, do you understand me? Yes? Okay. Okay. The first team, take. You understand, yes? Okay. The first team. You understand. The second team, come to me. Come to the blackboard. All together understand the lesson. Bazılarım senin gelmez. Okay, so sir. Қазақша айтыңдаршы, сабақ несімен ұнады, несімен ерекшеленді, кәдімгі қолды көтеріп қазақша сөйлейміз.
Маған сабақ
несімен ұнады саған? Топтық жұмыспен ұнады. Иә? Постер қорғауда ұнады ма? Постер жасаған кезде нақты айтамыз. Азамат. Қазақша.
Маған бұл ашық сабақ барлық тапсырмалармен ұнады.
Барлық тапсырмалар барлығы ұнады ма? Яғни сабақта зиянды тағамдар және пайдалы тағамдар өтіп, аттар түсіндірме несімен ұнады? Көптеген әдіс тәсілдер қолданды. Несімен ұнады? Қай әдіс тәсіл ұнады? Киіндір ұнады ма? Puzzle ұнады.
Маған пазл ұнады.
Көңіл күйлерің керемет болды ма?
Иә.
Окей. Бұл жерде балдар барлығын өте белсенді қатыстыңдар. Енді мына жерде балыңызды санайықшы. One is Azamat. Clap your hands, please. The top reader is China. The great idea is in you. Top reader Amina. Very good, very good. Fantastic work, Aisha. Bestseller Aliman. And the star of the day біздің жұлдызымыз болған Амина, yes? Okay. Okay, what's your name? I forget. Balum. Okay. Thank you all together. The lesson is over. Stand up, everybody. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay.